reacting to Charlie and Friends Ginger gets grounded. Really not weird, but subscribe. Ginger. Wait, here it is. Here's captions. Or warning. The following video contains bad language and violence. This is not suitable for young children. Wait, let's play it for you guys. Okay.
Show. For Charlie, who likes Charlie, we like Charlie. Everybody loves Charlie. Who got Charlie? Where is Charlie? There is Charlie. He got everything that you need. He likes to eat food and stuff. But Charlie, he's awesome. Here's the Charlie and Friends show. Do.
Charlie and Friends was filmed in front of a live audience.
Oh, hi guys. I'm Charlie. Don't you? We're in a library. We have to be quiet.
Go! So that is funny. But something else. We're reacting to a funny video. So let's get out this web camera thing. Start this. Hold on. Can you actually see it? So do you not know that sound? Another sound. If you don't know this sound, you might probably don't want to hear this video. Hear this. Okay, wait. No, not Brooklyn and Bailey. Cooper and Camila ask out the world. Hear this. Wait. Can you hear it? I'm gonna leave it up. That's a funny sound. Next one is funny. Okay, here goes it. There's another one with the same, okay? Oh wait, no, that. This one. Okay. Quick update.
I've been working my entire life to finally show this to you. Okay, ready?
Thank you.